Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen principles to grow a garden. We'll explore how mindfulness and presence can transform your gardening experience. Zen gardening isn't just about aesthetics. It's about cultivating inner peace through intentional interaction with nature. By focusing on the process, rather than solely the outcome, you can create a space that fosters tranquility and deep connection. This approach encourages a deeper appreciation for every leaf and every bloom, bringing a profound sense of calm to your outdoor sanctuary. Designing a Zen garden involves creating a space that invites contemplation and serenity. Start by selecting a quiet, secluded area, perhaps a corner of your yard measuring about 10 by 10 feet. Incorporate natural elements like carefully placed rocks, raked sand or gravel, and a small water feature for soothing sounds. Arrange plants with intention, considering their texture, color, and form to create visual harmony. Clear, winding pathways encourage mindful movement, guiding you through your peaceful oasis and enhancing the overall sense of calm and balance. Cultivating presence in your garden means engaging all 5 senses. Feel the soil between your fingers, smell the fragrant blossoms, listen to the rustle of leaves, and observe the intricate details of each plant. Practice slow, deliberate movements when watering, weeding, or pruning, treating each task as a form of meditation. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to simply observing the subtle changes in your garden. This focused attention helps ground you in the present moment, transforming routine chores into a deeply calming and reflective practice. Sustaining your Zen garden involves embracing its natural evolution and extending its tranquility into your daily life. Dedicate regular, short periods, perhaps 20 minutes a few times a week, to maintenance, understanding that perfection isn't the goal. Embrace imperfections and the natural cycle of growth and decay, seeing beauty in every stage. Reflect on the lessons your garden teaches you about patience and impermanence. By integrating these principles, the peace you cultivate in your garden can become a constant source of calm in your everyday existence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.